everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Flow, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It is such a beautiful day to be here with you.
It really is, Kevin. I am feeling very full of energy today. How are you feeling?
I am feeling good. A little bit excited, actually.
Excited. That sounds interesting.
Yes, I was thinking about our topic for today. It is a very fun topic.
It is. Today, we are talking about spending money.
Yes, the title of today's chat is The Ultimate Shopping Guide.
I love that title. Who doesn't love shopping?
Exactly. But before we start spending, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, please. If you like learning English with us, please click the like button and subscribe to English Daily Flow. It helps us a lot.
And share this episode with a friend, maybe a friend who loves to shop.
Okay, Kevin, are you ready?
I am ready. So, Emma, in our last video, we saw Big Ben and we ate fish and chips. But I realized something terrible.
What happened?
I haven't bought any gifts for my family. My mom wants a magnet, and my brother wants a London t-shirt.
So today is all about shopping.
Yes, shopping for souvenirs and shopping for clothes.
We will learn how to ask for sizes, how to use the fitting room, how to ask for a discount, and how to pay.
This is my favorite topic. But Emma, to be honest, I am a little worried.
Worried? Why?
I checked my wallet. London is very expensive. I am worried I will run out of money.
That is a common worry for travelers. You have to stay on budget.
Exactly. I need to find good things, but I need them to be cheap.
Don't worry, I will teach you how to find a bargain.
A bargain?
A bargain is something good that you buy for a low price.
I love bargains. Let's go.
Okay, imagine we are on Oxford Street. It is the most famous shopping street in London.
Wow, it is crowded. There are big shops everywhere.
First, let's go to a souvenir shop for your family.
I see one. It has a giant British flag in the window.
We walk inside. It is full of colorful things: magnets, keychains, mugs, hats.
I pick up a magnet. It looks like a red bus.
Check the price tag.
It says £5. That is expensive for a tiny magnet.
Welcome to tourist shops.
I want to buy a t-shirt for my brother. I see a pile of shirts.
You need to check the size.
I hold up a shirt. It looks small.
You should ask the shop assistant.
Okay, I walk up to the man at the counter.
I will be the shop assistant.
I walk up to the man at the counter. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, can I help you?
Do you have this t-shirt in a larger size? This one is a small.
Let me check the stack. What size do you need?
I need an extra large, XL. My brother is very tall.
Here you go. 1XL London t-shirt.
Thank you. How much is it?
It is £20.
20 pounds? That is a bit steep.
Steep means expensive.
Is there a discount if I buy two?
Actually, yes. We have a special offer. Buy 2 t-shirts for £30.
Oh, that is a good deal. I will take two.
Great choice.
I take the shirts. Now I see a funny hat. It looks like the king's crown.
Kevin, do not buy that. You will never wear it.
But it's funny. I put it on my head. Look, Emma, I am King Kevin.
Oh dear, please take it off.
Okay. I will just buy the t-shirts and the magnet.
We go to the cashier or till.
I would like to pay for these, please.
Certainly. That will be 35 pounds in total.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we take all major cards.
I tap my card. Beep.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be 10 pence extra for the bag.
10 pence. Okay, here you go.
Here is your receipt. Have a nice day.
We leave the shop. I have my gifts. Mission accomplished.
Now, let's buy something for you. You said you wanted a British jacket.
Yes, it is colder here than I thought. I need something warm.
Let's go to a department store like Marks and Spencer's or Selfridges.
We walk into the big store. It has many floors.
We need the men's section or menswear. It's usually on the ground floor or the first floor.
I see the sign, menswear. We go there.
Look at all the clothes. Jeans, shirts, suits, jackets.
I see a nice brown leather jacket.
It looks stylish. Go look at it.
I touch the fabric. It feels soft.
Look at the label. What is the material?
It says 100% leather.
And check the price tag.
150 pounds. Ouch, that is over my budget.
Let's look for something cheaper. Maybe a jumper.
A jumper? You mean a sweater?
Yes, in the UK we say jumper.
Okay, I see a nice blue wool jumper.
Pick it up. What size is it?
It is a medium. I think that will fit me.
You should try it on first. Never buy clothes without trying them on.
Where can I change?
You need to find the fitting room or changing room.
I see a sign, fitting rooms. I walk over there.
There is an attendant.
Excuse me, can I try this on?
Certainly, sir. How many items?
Just one.
Okay, go to cubicle number 4.
I go into the little room. I close the curtain.
You take off your shirt, you put on the jumper.
It feels nice, but wait.
What is wrong?
It is a little tight around the shoulders. I can't move my arms.
It is too small.
I look in the mirror. I look like a blue sausage.
You need a bigger size.
I take it off. It is stuck. Emma, help! My head is stuck.
Kevin, calm down. Pull it up.
Grr. Okay, I got it off. Phew!
Go ask for a large.
I walk out. I find the assistant again.
Does it fit, sir?
No, it is a bit tight. Do you have this in a large?
Let me check the rail. Yes, here is a large.
Thank you. I will try this one.
You go back in, you try the large.
This one is perfect. It is comfortable and the sleeves are the right length.
Does it suit you?
I think so. The blue matches my eyes.
Okay, we will take it.
I put my own clothes back on. I take the jumper to the counter.
We stand in the queue.
It is my turn.
Next, please.
I put the jumper on the counter.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
That will be 40 pounds.
Here is my card.
Please enter your PIN.
I type my code. Blup, 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 blup.
Here is your receipt. The return policy is 30 days. You can bring it back with the receipt if you change your mind.
Return policy. That is good to know.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Now I have a warm jumper. I feel very British.
We have one more stop.
Where?
We need to go to a street market, like Camden Market.
Why?
Because department stores have fixed prices, but in a market you can haggle.
Haggle? What is that?
It means bargaining, negotiating the price, trying to get it cheaper.
Oh, I'm bad at that. I'm too shy.
I will teach you. Let's go to the market.
We take the tube to Camden Town.
We walk into the market. It is noisy. Music is playing. It smells like street food.
Look at that stand. They're selling vintage sunglasses.
Do you like them?
Yes, I want those aviator sunglasses.
Ask the seller how much they are.
Excuse me, how much are these glasses?
The seller says, for you, my friend, $20.
$20 for old glasses? That is too much.
Now, Kevin, haggle. Offer him less.
Would you take $10?
The seller laughs. $10? You're killing me. I have children to feed. $18.
He came down a little bit. What do I do now?
Meet him in the middle.
How about $15? That is my final offer.
The seller looks at you. He thinks about it.
I wait. I try to look strong.
Okay, $15. Deal.
Yes, I did it. I saved $5.
Great job, Kevin. You are a master negotiator.
I pay him $15 cash. I put on my new sunglasses.
You look very cool. New jumper, new sunglasses.
And gifts for my family.
Now, we are done shopping, but look at you. You are carrying 5 bags.
They're heavy.
And look at the time. It's getting dark.
And tomorrow is the saddest day.
Why?
Tomorrow we fly home. The vacation is over.
Yes, we have to pack all these new things into your suitcase.
I hope they fit.
And we have to get to the airport on time.
I hate saying goodbye.
But first, let's review the shopping vocabulary we learned today.
Let's do it.
Souvenir.
A gift you buy to remember a trip.
Budget.
The plan for how much money you can spend.
Fitting room. Changing room.
The small room where you try on clothes.
Size.
Small, medium, large, extra large, XL.
Discount.
A lower price. A sale.
Receipt.
The paper that shows you paid.
Return policy.
The rules for bringing items back.
Haggle. Bargain.
Negotiating the price to make it lower.
Jumper.
British word for sweater.
Perfect. You are ready to shop anywhere in the world.
So, Emma, tomorrow we leave.
Yes, we need to book a taxi and navigate the departure terminal.
So, what is our final video in this series?
Our next video will be taking a taxi and flying home.
We'll learn how to call a cab, how to tip the driver, and how to say goodbye to a city.
It will be a little sad but very useful.
But first, question of the day.
We want to hear from you. What is the best souvenir you ever bought?
Was it a magnet?
Was it a t-shirt?
Was it a local food?
Or maybe something crazy like a hat?
Tell us in the comments below.
Thank you for shopping with us today.
Please like this video if you learned something new.
And subscribe so you don't miss our final travel episode.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy shopping!